Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use checkboxes in Google Docs. Checkboxes are a great way to track tasks that need to be completed, check for student understanding, track progress, collect feedback, and so much more. I'm going to be putting checkboxes onto a student practice document. And to add them to your own document, you're simply going to open or create it and then highlight the text where you want the checkboxes to appear. So in my case, I want my students to be able to put check marks next to the words that they think rhyme with miss. So I've highlighted the list, and then I'm going to go up to Format, and I'm going to then slide to Bullets and Numbering, slide over, and slide to the Checklist menu. There's two options. There's one option where it crosses out the item if you check it, and there's another option where the item does not get the strike through. So for my rhyming words list, I'm going to select option 2. And now just like that, I have a checkbox next to each word on the list, and my students can come in, their copy of the document, and start putting in the check marks for the words that rhyme with miss. Now, if I want to use the second option, that might work well in something like what equals 10. And so here the students are going to put a check next to all of the items that are not forms of the number 10. And so again, to make my check boxes, I simply highlight the text where I want to put the check boxes, click on Format, click on Bullets and Numbering, click on Checklist menu, and this time I'm going to use the strike-through menu because they're going to be selecting the things that are not 10, and I'd like them to be, have the line through them. So 9, take away 3 plus 4, well, that's 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Here's not a 10, so now it's got a strike through. And that way, my students can come in and do the work. There is an option up here where you can find check marks here, and you'll have those same two choices. So either way, you need to highlight the text where you want to put the check boxes and then pick the style, and that quickly, there they are. So now that you know how easy it is to set up and use them, I hope you will start doing just that. Thanks for watching.